Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering the phone down and removing the case, SIM and SD. This isolates hardware stressors. Once done, boot into safe mode to check whether apps cause phantom taps. Software-based ghosts stop here. Next, inspect the frame and screen edges for visible cracks or debris. You need to know if the digitizer is physically compromised. Make sure you have a small Phillips, a plastic spudger, and anti-static mat ready before proceeding to disassembly. You now separate the screen from the frame using gentle heat to loosen adhesive. Keep temperature under safe limits to protect components. Once lifted, inspect the digitizer flex cable and connector. Reseat it firmly and clean contacts with isopropyl alcohol. Intermittent ghosting often comes from poor connection. If you see corrosion or hairline tears on the flex, that explains persistent touch events. While you work, document screw locations, and you complete the repair by swapping in a known good digitizer or properly repaired flex. Test touch responsiveness before sealing the phone to confirm success. Once verified, apply new adhesive strips, align the panel precisely and reassemble, tightening screws to their original positions to avoid pressure points that can recreate ghost touch. If phantom taps persist, investigate ground connections and nearby LCD shielding, because mainboard damage or loose shielding can induce false touches. In that case,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.